This 2018 Ford Escape recently had some unwanted house guests inside, and there's still one in there that didn't get the eviction notice, so let's have a look around. Alright guys, well obviously the first step here is to dispose of the body. And yes, if you're wondering, this is the first time I've ever found anything dead inside a vehicle. And then as you can imagine, the inside smelled disgusting, as I think the mouse had been there for about a week. So I'm running my ozone machine to take care of that smell. And then while I work on the exterior for a few hours, the ozone will have a chance to dissipate before I start on the inside.
Big thank you to Manscaped for sponsoring this video. Are you a man? Do you have balls? Well, then Manscaped is for you. Manscaped is the global men's lifestyle brand that's disrupting the men's grooming market, and their Performance Package 4.0 is a game changer when it comes to grooming and caring for your more delicate areas. Their 4th generation electric trimmer, the Lawnmower 4.0, features a cutting-edge ceramic blade designed to reduce grooming accidents and even has an LED spotlight for when you need a more precise shave. Although your balls might look like punching bags, don't treat them like one. This trimmer is even waterproof, so you can shave in the shower and finally say goodbye to the mess on the bathroom floor. The Performance Package 4.0 also includes the Weed Whacker 2.0 nose and ear hair trimmer, which will take your grooming game to a whole new level using its powerful 7,000 RPM motor. It's also got an improved steel blade system and upgraded cutting performance from their 1st gen Weed Whacker to better whack those weeds. And after you've gone to town on the boys, you're going to want to make them nice and comfy again with some Crop Reviver Ball Toner Spray and Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant, which are also included in the Performance Package 4.0 kit. Both are products your balls will thank you for using. But that's not all. Manscaped even threw in 2 free gifts in the Performance Package 4.0, their anti-chafing boxers and the Shed travel bag. Bring your comfort and grooming to another level by using the link in the description to get 20% off plus free shipping with my promo code DETAIL. That's 20% off plus free shipping with promo code DETAIL at manscaped.com. So, how's that feeling, Mike?
Oh, dude, this is life-changing. Life-changing. I'm never ever using anything else ever again. Manscaped all the way.
Well, there you have it. Manscaped is your ball's best friend.
Moving to the back now, and as usual, I figured I'd give you some background on the vehicle. So when the owner dropped it off, she was telling me that obviously she's had a mouse problem in the vehicle for a little while, and said she's caught 4 adult mice and actually had 5 baby mice fall onto her feet while driving. Although she hasn't seen any more for a while now, so she figured it was safe to get it cleaned. And while rodent extermination certainly isn't my area of expertise, I will be taking a real good look through the vehicle to try to find where they were able to get in so the problem can be resolved once and for all. Now, while I covered the Escape with foam, I wanted to quickly answer a question I've seen a fair bit, and that's regarding the easy fuel systems on vehicles like this Ford Escape. I guess some people are worried about water getting into the gas tank, but since they actually have 2 flaps, with one being further down that only a fuel nozzle can open up, there's really no issue with it getting wet, though I wouldn't recommend spraying it straight on with a pressure washer. Alright, well, getting the Escape pulled back into the garage, I'll quickly get the front seats removed, and you'll notice I've got my respirator on now too, really just for my own protection, and looking at what was hiding underneath, and it's a good thing I do because I found a whole pile of mouse turds underneath the passenger seat, and you can never be too careful with these things. Okay, moving to the section underneath the passenger seat, and the pile of mouse turds here is a pretty good indication to me that their access point to the vehicle is likely somewhere in the near vicinity, plus the fact that the owner mentioned there was some canola that had been spilled under the seat a while back. So I'll get the air vent piece removed so I can take a closer look, and sure enough, there's a hole here. This is what it looked like from underneath the vehicle, so I'm guessing the owner drove over something pretty sharp that cut through the plastic and the floorboard, and then the canola attracted the mice inside the vehicle. So it'll be nice to be able to tell the owner where the mice were getting in, and that replacing the plastic liner under the vehicle should solve the problem for good. Here's all the dirty water the Bissell sucked out of the Escape today. Gross.